The Smith Machine Hex Press with V-Bar is a chest exercise designed to target and build inner pec thickness. Here's how to do it correctly. Center a flat bench under the Smith Machine bar and set safety stops just below your bottom range. If you're training by yourself, before starting, unrack the bar from the hook and let it rest on the safety stops since you won't be able to twist and release the bar while using the V-Bar attachment. Place the V-Bar under the center of the bar, then lie back, feet planted, retract your shoulder blades, and lift your chest. Grab the V-bar with a close, neutral grip with your wrists neutral and hands directly above your elbows. Brace your core and press the handles together to pre-tense the pecs. Exhale and press up while actively squeezing the handles towards each other. Stop just short of full lockout to maintain tension. Inhale and lower the bar in a slow and controlled descent to mid-chest with elbows tucked at 30 to 45 degrees. Repeat for reps. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.